I have been looking forward to this piece arriving. Now this is going to be a very special unboxing. I did start to set up the camera outside to film this, but some of my neighbours are in the garden, so I can't film the whole of this unboxing outside because they'll hear what I'm doing. And obviously with the nature of what I do, I have to keep it very secretive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it inside, and then once we've finished unboxing it, we are going to go outside with the camera and have a look at how this looks in daylight. So I'm going to try and do the best of both worlds today. We're going to unbox it in here. I can talk about it, showcase it, and then the second part of the video, we'll go outside and we'll have a look at how it looks. Now this is something that Valui have produced and they are planning to release very soon on Stacker Social to celebrate Stacker Social reaching 5,000 members. Now, since we hit 5,000 members, which only seemed like it was a couple of weeks ago, we've already had around 200 more people join. So it's amazing to see how quickly Stacker Social is growing and how strong the community is. And we've really seen that over the last few days as well. When we've had these speed humps along the way, where there's been things going on within the community, we've really seen how strong everyone comes together. And it's just amazing to see how strong the community is becoming. Now this piece is going to be released within the next few days. I will put some more details at the end of today's video showing you exactly when this is going to be released, how to get hold of one, and mintage details and all the rest of it. So watch all the way to the end of today's video if you're interested in grabbing one of these. But without further delay, let's just get straight into it. Now I've taken a big risk there by putting the knife straight through the middle, but I like to live life on the edge a little bit. Really hope I haven't damaged it. Got a little bit too excited with the knife. Oh, here we go. Luckily, it's nicely boxed and protected. Really nicely wrapped as well. Now, like I said, this is from Valui, and they're a pourer within Stacker Social. They produce some extremely nice pieces. We have worked alongside them a couple of times now on projects, and everything they produce just turns out absolutely stunning. They actually helped me produce the Bull and Bear Bar series that we did last year, and their work is really incredible. So that is actually probably going to go straight to their website if you scan it. So please head over and check out their website. But let's have a look at the star of the show. Now it says Certificate of Authenticity, celebrating 5,000 members. Now you can see here, this is number 1 of 100. This is the mintage. And the mintage figure, that is again going to change because we have put 1 of 100 on there. But we decided that we want this to be a piece that anyone and everyone can pick up. And it's not like some of the other releases we've done in the past where the mintage figures have sold out really quickly and there's people that haven't had a chance to pick one of these up. So we decided to actually do this as an open mintage, and there will be more details on the exact date when this will be available at the end of today's video. But how we're going to do it is we're going to have an open mintage over the course of maybe 2 or 3 days. So people can buy across those 2 or 3 days, and then that buying period will completely stop and that mintage will be capped. So it's not going to be 100 mintage. It will be available for anyone that wants to get hold of one. The mintage number will be set at the end of those 3 days. So like I said, a lot of this is kind of still in the sample stages. And the very first piece that they sent me, which was the prototype, that actually went missing in the post. So that got sent to me a couple of days ago and it is still stuck somewhere in the post office. Yeah, maybe in the main sorting office, in the smaller post offices along the way. We're not too sure yet. We're trying to track it down. So yeah, this has been a long time coming and I'm really excited to get straight into it. But you can see this is 3/9 fine silver. The weight is 30 grams. When these are finished and sent out to people, the size is going to be between, I believe it's 30 and 35 grams is going to be the size that they're going to come in. So take the details on this with a bit of pinch of salt, and I will go through further details at the end of today's video. But let's have a little look at the star of the show. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Already it just looks good before I've even got it out. Now this is a little bit different from some of the previous releases that Louis have done to celebrate landmark achievements on Stacker Social. Usually they produce a poker chip, but because it's 5,000 members, which is a very large landmark to hit, they've decided to go with a bar this time. Now this is extremely well finished. It literally feels like a cast or press bar that are mass produced, but don't forget, this is sand casted into sand. So just the fact that the letters are readable and all this detail is possible is incredible, and it's a testament to the skill that they have at Louis. Now you can see it's got the Stacker Social logo on the front. Stacker Social established in 2023, 5K either side. And if we flip it around, it says High Roller 5,000. Now the ones that are sold and the ones that you receive, they will actually have a hallmark across here. So this space here is ready for the hallmark to go in. And the reason mine isn't hallmarked yet is because I'm going to send this one back and I'm going to get it hallmarked as well, and then I'll have it sent back to me. So yeah, hallmarks will go here. So your piece will be fully hallmarked. But let's take this outside and have a look at it in the daylight. Now, as you can see, it looks absolutely stunning in the daylight. Really, really nice looking piece. Now, these are actually going to be poured to order. So there will be a 3 to 4 week waiting list from when you actually pick one of these up to when you actually receive it. Because don't forget, it's also got to be sent away for hallmarking. Now, the hallmarking, like I said, will go underneath here. I'll be interested to hear what you think in today's comment section, but I think this has turned out extremely well. To think this hasn't been stamped, it hasn't been lasered, it's been poured into sand, I think they've done an absolutely incredible job. Now these will be released on Friday. They will go live from 10:15 p.m. on Friday, and that will stay open and available for you to buy these up until Sunday at 9:30 p.m. So you've got the rest of Friday evening, you've got all of Saturday and all of Sunday up until Sunday at 9 p.m. to pick one of these up. And like I said, the mintage is going to be open on these. So there's not going to be any chance that these sell out before you get a chance to grab one if you're interested. But yeah, what a cool way to commemorate 5,000 members, and a massive thank you to Louis for putting this together. They came up with this design completely on their own, and it was their idea, and I think it's come out really, really well. So what a stunning piece of Stacker Social silver to add to your collection. I will leave a link in today's video description once these are live on their site for you to go and grab one. They will be weighing in at between 30 and 35 grams. When you're pouring silver, you can never get an exact weight, but it will be roughly between 30 and 35 grams. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video. Just finished filming the video and I went to put the bar back in its box, and I've just realised that what I was showcasing was in fact the back of the box. So if we go around to the front, this is really cool. Look, we've got the Stacker Social logo there, 5,000 members, High Roller, because that's the name of the bar. And it's actually got the 6th of June 2026 on the box. And that is the date we actually hit 5,000 members within Stacker Social. So that is really cool. And it says obviously by Louis as well at the bottom there. So yeah, I completely missed that. And I actually opened it this way round. I wonder when I opened it, the bar was facing the wrong way. But yeah, I thought I'd add this at the back of today's video just to show you how nicely it comes presented. And like I said, this is actually a sample box as well. So the final design has not been completed yet, because like we said, we don't know the true mintage yet until the pre-sale has been completed. So thanks again for watching. Please head down into the description below to grab one. Head into Stacker Social if you're not already. Link will be in today's video description for that as well. And I'll see you in the next video.